as I reintroduce the Monte Cristo collection. This is Dante. The Monte Cristo collection is a story of love, deception, betrayal, rising from the dead, and conquering your love. So this is Dante. The black one is actually Dante. But the fragrance, we wrote a romance story for the fragrance. Rich, dark, burgundy. It's so beautiful. Top note, plum and cognac. Middle note, I'm reading it. This is exactly the card that comes with it. Tobacco leaf, and I'm smelling it here. Cedarwood, vanilla, and balsam. And now, for the story. Oh my God. She sneaks into his library, burgundy leather chairs, 2 stories of wooden shelves holding rare editions and antiques. Breathing in the richly enticing notes of cognac and dark plum, which are mingling with the smoky tobacco leaves from a humidor on his chest, on his shelf. I'm thinking chest on his shelf. This is going in the wrong direction, people. I swear to God. This is called, not Murphy's Law. What's the other one? You know what I'm talking about. A hint of her vanilla perfume wafts as she waits for him in his silk robe. Forget about it. This is a killer one. This is coming back, by the way. It's on pre-order right now. But look how beautiful. It comes in 4 colors. This is Dante. Dante rose from the dead. Comes in the Maximilian. I'm not going to say all the names, but you should look at these beauties, by the way. Oh my God. So this is the Monte Cristo collection. The fragrances are magnificent. Magnificent. Did I say magnificent? Magnificent. You're going to be transported somewhere else. Enjoy.